Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon viewers, you are watching my YouTube channel Balghari Kitchen. In today Balghari Kitchen I am going to make one rice. I am going to make vegetable fried rice in Balghari Kitchen. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, do subscribe Balghari Kitchen, and thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. So viewers, in Balghari Kitchen I prepared all the ingredients for vegetable fried rice. I am going to show you what are the key ingredients I have prepared. Here I boil already some rice in rice cooker. Vegetable oil, chopped carrots, cauliflowers, red capsicum, broccoli, black pepper, soya sauce, chopped spring onion, garlic powder, vegetable stock, green capsicum, yellow capsicum. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for this beautiful recipe vegetable fried rice. Let's start viewers our recipe. I have already one pan which is very hot. I'm going to add some vegetable oil. Spread the vegetable oil, cauliflower, broccoli, saute together. Add red peppers, green peppers, and carrots. Saute all together for 3 to 4 minutes. So our vegetables are softened. Let's cook for some more time because the broccoli and the cauliflower is a little bit need more time to cook. So now it's time to add the seasoning: vegetable stock, garlic powder, black pepper, and the rice together, all together. Mix nicely, all mix up. Add soya sauce nicely. Mix all together and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to add the spring onion, sprinkle of spring onion. Mix together all. So almost our rice is ready. I'm going to dish out. So I'm going to put this one in the bowl. Look at this beautiful rice. I have taken one plate here. I'm going to put this plate like this, and then going to turn upside down like this way. Then I'm going to, oh, look at this beautiful rice. I'm going to add some spring onion around. So our vegetable fried rice is ready. So viewers, our vegetable fried rice is ready. Looks delicious. Let me try some rice. I am a fan of rice as well. Oh, look at this. Wow. It's quite hot. Blow. It's delicious with the broccoli. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for another recipes going on. Share to friends and family. And thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Don't forget to give your beautiful comments in comment section.